欢迎收看一男一旅旅行的旅。这一集介绍荷属 ABC 群岛的第二集，继续聊阿鲁巴岛。上一集介绍了阿鲁巴的地理和市中心的免费电车，这一集我做一个新的尝试，将视频分为2个段落。第一个段落介绍我们在阿鲁巴岛环游时的所见所闻，大概6分钟，用普通话介绍。第二个段落是我和当地导游司机的英文对话，并配有YouTube 自动翻译的英文字幕。现在我们见到的就是阿鲁巴岛卡西巴里石头公园，它是阿鲁巴岛之中的一个高点，能够俯瞰半个阿鲁巴岛，是游客必到的地方。它是由火山活动形成的岩石所组成的，还可以看到阿鲁巴岛出名的植物。因为阿鲁巴岛气候干燥，植物的品种跟加勒比海的其他国家不一样。例如素馨花树，在这条视频的第2段，导游司机就提过这种树，它开花的时候非常美。这里我们可以看到阿鲁巴岛是平地为主，没有高深森林的地方，风很大，当地人说这是阿鲁巴岛的一个特色。由于有风的关系，上下石头山的时候带点刺激。在公园入口的前面有几家商铺，卖茶水、饮品、纪念礼品等等。停车场就在前面的一块空地，有点简陋，但不用买票，可以自由进出。在石山公园出来开20分钟车，就会到一个芦荟厂博物馆。工厂成立于1890年，是世界上为数不多的一条龙芦荟生产商，有种植、收获、加工、包装、销售都在这家公司。阿鲁巴芦荟被认为是世界上最好的芦荟。芦荟厂的前身是家牙膏厂，后来转型做化妆品。博物馆免费又由职员带队，每15分钟以英语、荷兰语、西班牙语或阿鲁巴岛的母语讲解。导游会带我们去看芦荟是如何分档的，了解芦荟的许多用处，游览工厂设施、芦荟切割室、测试实验室、灌装室、包装室和储藏室。博物馆还提供10分钟的短片，报道关于阿鲁巴芦荟品牌背后的历史，以及制作芦荟的护肤品的制成和工艺，简短讲述了芦荟植物优化的故事，以及阿鲁巴岛农业生活方式的开始。19世纪末，由于芦荟硬胶的价格下降，阿鲁巴人几乎不可能从这项业务中获利，更不用说农民维持生计。那时库拉索岛和博奈尔岛停止生产，但阿鲁巴人继续保留芦荟田。好消息是在20世纪初，芦荟价格再次上涨，行业迅速扩张。在接下来的几年里，阿鲁巴成为全球最大的芦荟硬胶出口国。芦荟硬胶用于制造泻药，赢得了芦荟之岛的绰号。虽说是博物馆，其实它是推销芦荟产品为主。博物馆做得非常详细，有很多展品和简介，也有展出阿鲁巴岛的历史。根据上面的资料，芦荟产品对于烧伤、灼伤和皮肤疤痕的修复非常有效，可能是有药用功效。它的产品不便宜，一支芦荟润唇膏卖7.5美元，一支12.5安士的润肤露卖26美元。看过工厂博物馆，导游司机就带我们去看加利福尼亚灯塔，路过好多横街窄巷，看到阿鲁巴人当地的生活环境。从芦荟工厂去加利福尼亚灯塔车程大约是半个小时。加利福尼亚灯塔在该岛西北端附近胡迪西巴纳的地区，是游客和摄影爱好者必到之处。灯塔坐落在海边的高地上，成为阿鲁巴岛的风景名胜之一，并提供了该岛西部海岸线和珊瑚海岸线的完美景观。最佳摄影时间是在日落前，金黄色的夕阳进入加勒比海，大抹菇胭脂长河落日圆，大概就是这样的景象。灯塔现在每天上午9点到下午7点开放，入场费5美元，不需要预定。我们来到的时候，因为疫情关系就没有对外开放。为什么在阿鲁巴岛的灯塔叫做加利福尼亚？ 原因是它是以一艘游轮命名的，叫加州人号。它本来是英国一艘普通小型游轮，在泰坦尼克号沉没事件发生后广为人知。话说泰坦尼克号沉没的当日，加州人号发送了3个有关冰山的警告。旁述就到这里，后面请大家打开 YouTube 上面的自动翻译功能继续收看。衷心感谢大家的收看、订阅、留言、点赞，谢谢。
It's a school year now done, so it's kind of rush hour that side, but I know how to drive here. Yes, and Aruba's got 120,000 people live in Aruba legally. We also got the illegals. Is from Venezuela, Colombia, San Domingo, and Peru, Chile, and Aruba.
Do you have your own military and police?
Yeah, we got our police. We have a Dutch military combined with local Aruba. Okay, we headed to the rock here, Casibari. Here, if you climb the rock, you can see we have 3 ships in. One is completely empty. It came to Aruba to have fuel and the water. Then sailing back and go for the passengers and keep sailing.
People said this is one of the good place for retirement.
Oh yes, very pretty silent.
Why is that?
Because we very relaxable. You know, if you live in New York, where you told me you live in
California.
California.
Sacramento.
Yeah. California is a big city, and New York almost. You can say every city in the United States compared to Aruba is big. You know, Aruba is it's a small island and it's very handleable and very nice tourist island.
How's the COVID-19 cases here?
Very good. To compare to the world, put it this way, or to the Caribbean. Right now we start with 5,000. That this was a high peak, 5,700, and then afterwards it came down. Right now is in the average of 1,200. I think tomorrow is going to be lower than 1,000, and so I think end from the month we will be end up on 0. And very lucky. The system, how this go up is the young kids. The youth system is high. They go party and then go home and get the family with the pandemic. They stay good, but the family be sick. So that is how the problems are now. They are busy with all information and to be safe and to take care because Aruba is if the tourist doesn't come, we're in a big problem, you know. So that is how it goes. Now it's coming down, and now they're going to treat it like a normal cold, you know. It's going to be United States too are here going to treat this pandemic like a normal sickness, but have control, but for the normal open everything and keep going because the life have to keep going. So we have to take care.
What's this area?
This is called Cerro Blanco, and prices in the houses in this area you can start at 300,000 if it's nice, and it can reach 600,000.
US dollar?
US dollar. All the prices what I mentioned is US dollar.
So what is the next stop that you are going to take us?
Casibari in Vietnam. Run from Asia.
Can you repeat that official language again?
Papiamento is got the 6 language in one.
Do you have a map by any chance?
Yeah, we can have later on. I can give you a map. Give you by let's see, in Casibari, if we can find a map. If not, on the way, I think I have a map for you. No worry.
Thank you.
You see, this is how bright the colors are, and they painted in Aruba, and this is for the reason they do this because the sun is so sharp, and that's why they painted bright color like this. You know, and it's because the sun is like this year in and year out. We got to paint bright colors for the colors to stay longer.
Do you get more influence from Spanish or Netherlands?
Well, yeah, Aruba is multi-international, 97 nations. We got people from everywhere in Aruba. And not from Colombia, Venezuela, San Domingo, Peru. It's the most Latins in Aruba. We got Dutch, we got the Caribbean completely, we got people from the United States, we got people from everywhere. We got Chinese, we got Filipinos, we got people from everywhere.
How long have you been living here?
My life.
Wow.
Yeah. I like it a lot, you know.
Are you a native?
David, yeah. My daddy grew up in New York, Brooklyn, and my mom is from Bonaire.
Oh.
I grew up here. I'm kind of international. You know. This is a brand new road they opened it last year. It's called Watibas Boulevard. And it's go from the airport, just go till by the low-rise hotels. It's a good road because when it's busy in the town, we can take that road, just drive, and reach much sooner than in the capital. Okay, here you can see this is all here is the DVD. We have kiwi trees, the cactus, and the nice tuna. The route here to reach into the rock.
What is the best local beer?
Well, we have here, it's called Balashi and Chill and the Malta Balashi. That is the beer from Aruba. Also, we have the rum Palmera. Also, we got a fabric from Oliveria that I'm going to show you later. And very good fabric. And the beer also, the first stop, if you like to taste the beer, is called Balashi Chill. And very good beer.
Good. How's the living expenses here?
Yeah, the cost of living is very high. Very high. Like the gasoline is about $6 for a gallon.
Wow.
The diesel is like $4.80, you know. It's very pricey. It's like 5-6 times more expensive than the United States. But one thing, we live nice here. We have a good living.
Do you have a minimum wages?
Oh yes, of course. We have here the minimum wage is $1,000 a month.
So you said there's a $1,000 a month as a minimum wages, US dollar.
Oh yeah.
So
that's the minimum wage. Working 5-6 days a week.
the
8
house,
hours. 8 hours.
8 hours.